Hello friends, this is my brand new HP X360 laptop. Powered by AMD Ryzen 7 processor on Windows 11, it comes with a 13.3-inch Full HD touchscreen display with 400 nits of brightness. It's got 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage. It comes in nightfall black color and wow, what a thing of beauty it is. When I placed the HP Envy side by side with my current MacBook Pro laptop, I was surprised to find that it is smaller by almost an inch. The X360 is a 2-in-1 convertible laptop, and so it can be used in tablet mode as well. It comes with a stylus pen as well, but I have not really used it so far. The hinge is pretty solid, and the backlit keypads are just amazing to type on. I have not really tested its real-world performance so far, but I'm basically planning to use it for personal photo and video editing, nothing too heavy on the processor, so I think I'll be okay with this. Overall, amazing laptop.